Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel Crypto Club. How are you all doing? I just wish everyone is fine. As you all know, we always discuss amazing project in which you can invest and get great profit. So today in this video, we are going to discuss another great project. So let's begin and move to the website to know more about the project. But before this, I request you all to please subscribe to my channel and press the notifications bell. Okay, so in this video, we'll be talking about Optimus Z7. Unlock the feature of finance and real-world device integration with Optimus Z7, the ultimate proof of chain protocol. So here we are to the website of Optimus Z7, where we'll find all the updates about the project, all the details regarding this project. This is the next chain layer blockchain. So here we can find the details of Optimus Z7 on the website. The next gen 1 blockchain. Effortless integration of advanced features, mobile wallet, cross-chain bridge, and marketplace staking. Revolutionizing transactions. Optimus Z7's innovative proof of a chain protocol revolutionizes transactions, enhancing security and efficiency while minimizing energy consumption. Seamless integration for real-world impact. Optimus Z7's seamlessly integrate blockchain with real-world devices, unlocking limitless possibilities across industries like supply chain management, healthcare, and energy. So this is how Optimus Z7 proffers this rapid and relief transactions. Optimus Z7 prioritizes speed and scalability without compromising security, ensuring rapid and reliable transaction for both micro and large scale transactions. And here we have the roadmap of Optimus Z7 to be able to know more about their future plannings. So here they are going to foundation and infrastructure for that, which is 2023. In 2024, they are going to strategic expansion and launch innovative and market leadership with testnet deployment, scale deployment to distribute test tokens, and their team farm formation, bridge implementations and development completed. So this is how they have planned for their future and what they are going to be in future. Here we can find the validators and the transaction deflationary impact, which is 10%, 0.0001 media fee transaction, and 0% is for net carbon impact. So we can find their validators, which are 22,000. Future ecosystem. A centralized cryptocurrency exchange platform offering a wide range of digital asset trading pairs, high liquidity and advanced trading features, providing users with robust security and invitation market analysis. A decentralized exchange designed to facilitate the trading of new tokens, especially on Optimus Z7 blockchain. DoSwap aims to provide a user-friendly platform with advanced features of liquidity provision and trading. An innovative bot available on WhatsApp that enables users to transfer tokens or USDT directly from their smartphones. The Totos bot is designed for and used for easy, seamless by process of cryptocurrency transaction via popular message platform. And a comprehensive launchpad platform on the Optimus Z7 blockchain that supports iShield DEX offering, IDO for new projects. OPAT offers tools and resources for project developers to launch their tokens and engage with potential investors, providing a streamlined and secure process of fundraising. If we talk about the tokenomics, the Optimus Z7 coin boasts a supply of 500 million coins, highlighting its exclusively in commitment to value preservation. The total tokenomics have preserved for 2%. Their strategic partnership is for 2%, validators 3%, staking is for 4%, team is for 10%, airdrop 1%, and seed sale 1%. Pre-sale tokenomics is 5% for private sale in stage 1, 8% is for private sale in stage 2, 11% is for stage 3, 13% for stage 4, 16% in stage 5, 34% in IDO public sale, and 13% for seed. So they are distributed their tokenomics in 2 steps, in total tokenomics and pre-sale. So we can find their 190 million token in pre-sale tokenomics and 500 million in total tokenomics. We can find the blog post here. Optimus Z7 testnet in live. Their blockchain set to launch its highly anticipated crypto influencer on 2024, introducing DoSwap, the rising star in decentralized, Trump, etc. So Optimus Z7 blockchain wallet, so you can find it, you can download it from your Google Play Store and Apple Store. Let's talk about their partners, which are supporting Optimus Z7 Gate.io, ODX traders, TextBot, secured channel, WhatsApp, etc. So we can find there all the required details. We can find subscribe to new list. You can enter your email to be able to know more about the project. Here we can find the white paper as well. So we can click on the white paper and check the white paper of Optimus Z7 from this. So here we can find the details of Optimus Z7 website here. So now we are going to see the details of white paper. So this is a white paper of Optimus Z7. Optimus Z7 is a smart contract platform which is unified infrastructure platform based on technical, solving their market biggest problem, declaration to empower the decentralized application system, VN, Optimus Z7 performance, consequence mechanism, economical techniques, everything is mentioned here on the website. We can find the social media channels, LinkedIn, GitHub, Twitter, Medium, etc. So we can access the project from here. So this is a white paper of Optimus Z7 regarding to this project. So you can simply find out the white paper. Okay, so this was all about today. I'll drop the link of Optimus Z7 in my description, which you can use to access the project. I hope you like this video. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell. Thank you so much for watching.